let's start with this. The COVID rate in New York City right now is the lowest it's been since mid-July of last year. Good news, right? Well, some people point out that COVID can always rise again, and that's even being pointed out by people who are pleased with the mandates being lifted, who call it a big step in the right direction.
Happy to come back to regular. It feels like somewhat of regular, just a little bit.
Closer to regular is how Mahogany Bafong describes this. Where there had been a sign saying proof of vaccination is required, it's gone from the more than 27,000 restaurants, bars, movie theaters, and other entertainment venues in the city. Today's lifting of the proof of vaccination requirement is a relief to restaurant manager Mayra Castillo.
Because some people that don't come here because they are not vaccinated.
She says it's easier on her staff that they won't have to check customers' vaccination status.
It's good, great.
Customers like her agree, and the mandate is also lifted at even more facilities.
I do weights, toning, cardio.
Gyms, health clubs, and pools no longer require proof of vaccination or masks.
It definitely feels like a relief that things are getting a little bit back to normal, and it's just, really good to know that there's a lot of people in New York who are vaccinated.
She's a member at Blink Fitness, which reports that February was its highest month for new members ever. Some members point out that COVID numbers can always spike again.
We take precautions again. We get back to masks and social distancing.
We spoke with Blink Fitness's chief operating officer when the mandates went into effect last August. Now, he says he's pleased with today's changes, but has to prepare for low COVID numbers now to rise.
We've been able to respond rapidly, whether it's a mandate coming on or a mandate coming off, and make sure that we follow the guidance that we're given, and make sure that we're upholding all of those standards as they come to us.
And businesses can still require proof of vaccination or masks be worn. It just depends on each one. Speaking of which, Broadway theaters have pointed out they intend to still require that masks be worn at least through the end of this month.